Hi guys, my name is KTECHGAI and I welcome you to my YouTube channel where you are inspired to do more and you are inspired to do even more. So I'm starting a Photoshop beginners lessons, and it is only natural that you have the Photoshop program running on your computer. So in this lesson I am going to guide you through how you can download the Photoshop program and ultimately install it. So let's launch our browser. So launch any browser you have running on your computer. In my case, I have Opera Mini. Okay, it takes you here. Look for your search box, and we type in the word "get into PC." Get into PC. All right, that's the second result. Get into PC, and here are our results. Yes, the first result is what we are looking for. So click that. Okay, it takes us to the site Get into PC, and they have nicely categorized all their programs. So there on your right you have the search box where you can type in what you're looking for, or we could just navigate the tabs. Okay, so operating systems, graphic design, and you can scroll your way down. You can scroll your way down to look for a better result. So if you don't have that, you can click any of the numbers down there to show you even more results. Okay, so that's usually how you can look for things here. Okay, so let's go back to our search box and type in Photoshop. Photoshop. Okay, let's say go. Alright, we have about 405 results, and these are the different types of Photoshop that we have. So look for the best result. So say the first one. Okay, so Adobe Photoshop 2022 plus filters neural filters, sorry. Okay, so you can navigate your way down here to see the requirement if your machine meets the requirement for this program. So if it does not meet the requirements, say you do not have storage enough to um, install this, it's still okay. You can go back and navigate with the numbers at the bottom, okay, to get another version. So here we are, the download page. So I'm waiting for my downloader to catch the URL so that we can go ahead and download. Yeah, so here we are. So I'm running an IDM internet downloader. This comes up, say download. So it's now downloading. Let's pause that because already have the program running, so I don't need to download it again. So I'll cancel that. Okay, so in your case you have to go ahead and wait for the download to finish. And so in the next video I'm going to show you how to install it and set it all up so that we can begin our lessons. Thank you for watching this. Subscribe to the channel. Let me know your comment in the section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.